Hey friends, thanks for joining me. We're going to look at what a ferro rod is and how to use it to start a fire. All right friends, so a ferro rod is a synthetic alloy that is pressed into this shape, and when you use a steel or a striker, it produces a really hot spark. Those sparks can be upwards of 5,000 degrees. So when you first get your ferro rod, I got the hiccups. Excuse me. When you first get your ferro rod, it will probably have a coating on the actual rod that we need to scrape off. And so we scrape it, kind of scrape that coating off, because right now it won't produce any sparks. But if we can get that coating kind of scraped off here, then we can press, and you can see those sparks coming off now that I have the coating kind of rubbed off. So what you'll want to do, you'll want to have a little like bird's nest of tinder. And what I really like to do, I really like to take this dryer lint, and I really like to use it as my base for my fire starter. So I'm going to take just half of this, and we're going to try to take a spark from the ferro rod, and I can either go like this, or I can leave this here and pull this back. Produces the same sparks. It's whatever you want to do. Sometimes people don't like to push down into there, and so they can push it, put their striker close, and then pull back, and look at that. One strike, and we got a fire. So that is how to use a ferro rod and a striker. Thanks for watching.